What did he find?
Part of a jaw. Oh.
He found more forest snacks.
Yeah.
The forest is a treasure trove of snacks for little old doggy. Because he is eating a whole part of a jaw of something.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know. Just tear it up there, buddy. Why you got to get all in that stance to do it, though? That's what I'm wondering about.
I don't know what kind of animal that is. That shark teeth, though.
Dead. Don't be shocked. We're at another wildlife management area. We've actually had sun all day. However, battery's acting a little wonky. Our big battery. Still, like even with full sun all day, it'd get up to 100.
Yeah.
And then as soon as the compressor kicked on for the AC, it would jump right back down to.
Did you say the AC?
I meant for the. Yeah,
Okay.
I said the AC. Generally, we'd be parked in a little more secluded area, but you know, trees. One good thing about it with this, the van almost kind of matches, almost kind of blends in out here.
It doesn't see anything, really.
A couple of forest ranger, game warden guys came by, and I don't even think they saw us.
Of course, we're away from the road, too.
Yeah.
So
It was so quiet here last night.
it was cold last night, too.
Yeah. And couldn't run the heater. And we ran out of the small bottles of propane for the Mr. Buddy. So you do plan L. You start the van and let it warm up. Hopefully with the sun it got today, we'll be able to run the heater in the morning. But then again, it's not supposed to be as cool.
Yeah.
So it won't be as necessary. That's what I'm frustrated about, is that whenever we haven't needed to run the heater, we could run it. But when we haven't needed to run the heater, or when we have needed to run the heater, didn't have the.
It so bad last night.
Yeah. And one of the things that, you know, like the propane, whenever we run it, the whole inside fogs up, and I mean it's a lot of condensation. It does not do that with the diesel heater.
Yeah.
It's a dry heat, which is it's more gooder. It's more goodful.
Yeah.
It's better. Our plan was, obviously, as we made it abundantly clear about 315 times, was go do the Talamina Parkway drive. And we stayed a night at Talamina State Park, but it was small and it was pretty, but it wasn't video worthy really, I don't think. We did get to take showers though.
Yeah. That was good.
It was $16 to stay there at a tent site, because obviously we don't need an RV site, but it came with warm showers, so that was worth it. Anyway, our plan was to do Talamina Parkway Drive. I don't know, it's a drive. I've always heard it called Talamina Drive, but I'm sure it has an official name. If you know what it is, bleep bloop it. Comment area. But we're looking at the calendar.
Yeah, we have Christmas stuff coming up for the family.
Yeah, on the 18th, we have to be in central Oklahoma.
Yeah. We decided.
For my side of the family, and then Christmas Day, we have to be in central Oklahoma for her side of the family. We'll come back and do all this other stuff.
Yeah. Where'd you come from?
His mom and dad.
Aw.
Because when mommy and daddy puppy love each other, or they just get the opportunity, they'll make tiny little puppy dogs. His whining has kind of slowed down a little bit, I think.
Well, it's because he's
out here.
Yeah.
Because we're out here doing this. And he can find jawbones of possums and whatever out here. And dig a hole for 11.5 months as he did over there.
Oh yeah, he was out here earlier.
Yeah, he dug so far a while ago. I smell Chinese food. So the plan is to, since we have to be, like we're in eastern Oklahoma now, we're gonna start kind of slowly heading back towards where we're going. You know, drive 50 miles and stay a couple of days, drive another 50 miles, stay a couple of days. 'Cause I don't want to do the drive all at one time.
Right.
I just don't want to. Because the van is uncomfortable. In '89, Dodge didn't make vans, didn't make them for comfort. They made them very utilitarian.
Yeah.
And even though I've gotten used to it, I don't like it still. So.
I don't know if it's making my back hurt or what, but.
Well, is your back hurting?
Yeah.
That's probably not helping it then. Hi. Badger 8 man, little Badger 8 man. So it's dark out here and it got chilly. As soon as the sun went down, oh, it started getting chilly, but sweet diesel heat. Yep.
Hey.
Morning. Welcome to the glamorous world of waking up in a van.
He's already been out once this morning.
He already did all the little doggy stuff this morning.
You can go out. You can go out.
We're fixing to
bounce.
Yeah. Hasn't been my favorite place ever. It's okay and quiet, but
I think Billy Creek was probably.
Billy Creek was awesome.
Nice. Very nice. Yeah.
And as we head back to where we're going, it's going to get progressively not
pretty.
Billy Creekish.
Yeah.
But
we'll come back.
Want to see family though.
Yeah. Need to see the moms.
Yes, the moms and the sisters.
And the sisters and the family. You look tired.
I am tired. I'm okay.